Has Sonam Wangchuk changed his stand? Among the three conditions he has laid down for ending his 23-day indefinite hunger strike, there is no direct mention of Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan's resignation. Yet, when the hunger strike began on 28th June, its main demand was set to be Pradhan's resignation. One more important development. 3 student leaders from AISA have also ended their 23-day hunger strike. In this edition of Bhaskar Explainer, we will look at Wangchuk's new conditions, whether his stand has changed and the issues surrounding them. This is the note posted from Sonam Wangchuk's X account on the morning of 20th July. Listing 3 conditions, he said he would not end his hunger strike until at least one of them was fulfilled.
Dear friends and supporters, many of you have asked when I will end my fast. As I had earlier told my supporters, I will end my hunger strike on July 20th if the government accepts responsibility for the recent failures in the education system, such as paper leaks, or if I and the leadership of CJP reach the gates of Parliament, where honourable members of Parliament and leaders of various political parties assure us that they will raise this issue in Parliament. Or, if my health or other circumstances do not permit this, then honourable MPs and leaders of various political parties should come to this hospital and give me the above assurance.
On the 22nd day of the hunger strike, on the night of 19th July, Sonam Wangchuk's wife, Dr. Gitanjali, also spoke along similar lines.
मैंने जैसे पहले कहा कि सोनम ने कहा है और हमें भी ये लगता है कि सोनम कारण नहीं थे कि ये जो जंतर मंतर में जो प्रोटेस्ट शुरू हुआ, वो बस आवाज थे युवाओं की.
Looking at these 3 conditions, should it be assumed that Wangchuk has changed his stand? From the very beginning, one of the Cockroach Janata Party's or CJP's key demands were the resignation of Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan. At its first protest at Jantar Mantar on 6th June, this demand featured prominently on banners. Sonam Wangchuk also joined the protest, carrying a shoulder bag and a rose. On 20th July, CJP resumed its protest with 2 demands. Resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan, inclusion of Ladakh under the 6th schedule of the Constitution and granting it full statehood. The government was...
For more such videos, download Bhaskar English app.